y'all be coming at me straight spitting fire. What did I sign up for? Oh my god. Y'all have some really spicy questions for me. What's the worst thing that you've ever done? I don't know, broken somebody's heart? I don't know. Disappointed my parents? Um, how's the marriage search going on? Not that great. My mom and my dad constantly on the lookout. Do you think the hustle mentality is really the key to success, or is it just a pathway to burnout? I think hustle mentality should आपके पास होनी चाहिए तभी when you are woke enough to realize and understand this is what you want to do for the rest of your life, because burnouts only happen when you know कि this is not what you something you desire, or like burnout is a great way to take a new direction, I believe. Thoughts on sex? That is how we've been born, and evolution. Have you gotten physical with anyone? You mean fight with my brother? Yes. If you're talking about sex, no. What happened on a 27th birthday? My insecurities poured out like fire. In my family, so I have 3 siblings, and all of us are engineers, and I think I was the only one who chose marketing over engineering, and just the value of my degree seems to be a little less, and there are like just insecurities that poured out heavily. Has it ever come to you that you should not look for boys in US but India as well? I have in my community. They're not either they're not educated, the guys, or they're not just good looking enough, just decent enough. Most of the guys are like 10, 12 pass, and we don't want that, do we? So yes, the options are open right now. Do you think marriage is for you at this point of your life? Would you rather focus on your career than marriage? I have thought about it. Probably this was like one of the major topic that I used to talk about with my best friend, and none of my friends have answer to that. Nobody will. It's just I feel like I've thought about it, and I want somebody to love. I don't know about marriage and stuff like that. Is the relationship with family still tensed? What caused it in the first place? My insecurities. And hey, सब families में plus and minuses होते हैं. So what's your favorite part about your body? My legs, although they I do consider them as my insecurities because my calves are like ginormous, but my legs, because it has taken me to a lot of places around the world, and if I did not have legs, I would not have walked around. Your dirtiest dream? You. Threesome? I don't know. Are you virgin? Why? Are you gonna virgin shame me? Yes, I am. I am virgin. Deal with it. I don't have anything against having sex. I think, and nor am I saving myself up till marriage. It's just I haven't found somebody. Your first are always memorable, be it your first kiss, be it you sleeping with somebody, be it anything else, your first car or anything as such. First you remember, and you want that first to be with somebody you love, not somebody like, oh, friend, hey, kar diya, whatever. I don't want that. Brought a boy home behind your parents' back? Nope. Never. Nobody. No boy. I don't know. Nobody's interested in me. Hook your girl up. Are you planning to be a full-time YouTuber, or stick to a full-time job? I think that's the question. I want to do both as long as I can, and I don't know. I think I want to do. I'm thinking about masters, and so I'm trying to save up as much as I can. And this is a side hustle, and I enjoy it. I enjoy it. It's just a side. Ye plus point ki this is making me 20 rupees per day. This is bringing me 20 rupees per day. So why not? Not spicy, but curious. Do you regret not trying harder to get a job while you were back in US? Yes and no. The Purani wali Aditi would say no, I don't regret it, because I did blood, sweat, tear, sweat and tear dono, I did not bleed enough to survive there. I do regret coming back, though I'm not like just to pay off the money that I have spent behind education. I could not do that. So yes, regrets. Yes, yes. Last question: have you explored your sexuality with an open mind? Why would you not have an open mind when you're exploring your sexuality? Is my question. If yes, would your parents support that? That's a spicy question. Have you explored your sexuality? No. I think you can't just wake up one day and say, hey, I'm bisexual, or I'm um, straight, or I'm gay, or whatever. But I don't think, yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. So those were like, I'm legit sweating right now. Those were some spicy questions. Thank you so much, everybody, for sending in. I'm gonna stop right here, edit the video, get them out. Oh, thank you. Aujo.